what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light.
It's not a log, it's massive. And I look like a wreck. Oh my god. But anyways, today is the last day of my trip. We are heading back to Sydney. My flight is at 6:30 this evening and I'm sad. I don't want to go. I was having so much fun on this trip. I did so much. I mean, you guys have known all the things that I have done. Like, you've seen it. But I will be missing this area a lot. I will not miss the sweat and humidity, but I will miss the things that I did and the wildlife, the nature, everything. Cairns was really good to me. I loved it, and just because it's the last day doesn't mean I don't have anything planned for you. I still have one more thing planned, which I had not planned, but it actually happened to fall on the last day, so I still have something to do today, and I'm so excited to show you. I'm not gonna tell you today what I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do today, but let me show you.
On the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time.
Just grab some coffee and a snack for myself from Turtle Rock Cafe. They have got really good options for breakfast. And now we are heading off to Belcher's. I fell down as well. Like, I hurt my knee on those stairs. They're clumsy person.
So pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
And I'm here for Crocodile cruise. So I booked again via BookMe. It cost me $20 for a 1-hour cruise with Belcher's in the Daintree River. This is on the other side, on the Cairns side of Daintree River. So you have to, if you are staying at Cape Tribulation, make sure you book the cruise when you are like on your way back, because that's like a mistake I did. I didn't notice it was on this side and not on the Cape Tribulation side, so I had to reschedule, but they were nice enough to accommodate us. And this is what we are doing today. I am really hoping to spot some crocs. Okay, that's the waiting area where you can wait for the ferry. I've got my ticket here and we are just hanging around at the gift shop. Maybe I'll buy something. Just waiting here for the doors to open and for us to board the cruise.
And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
So we are heading for our cruise now. There are a lot of people here. So there are some tour groups coming in. So if you don't want to drive, you can also take one of these tour groups. They are big in number, so they pick you up from the hotels or hostels and they bring you here and also drop you back, I think. But they are more expensive. You won't get the price that I got, which was $19. I booked from BookMe and it was $19 per person, but the price changes according to time.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Heading on to the Daintree River, and it's a small boat, so this guy is very scared. He's terrified of crocodiles, and this was the last thing we decided to do because he wasn't ready for it. But I'm excited.
beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go.
The other one. It'll look with the logo on the left. Comes out of the water. So just in the water. Keep your
Oh.
arms wide if you could.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond old. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
It's not a log, it's massive.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh,
And that was the end of our tour. And we saw one big croc, a couple of small baby ones, and now we are heading off and out. So the ticket also includes a tea, coffee or slushy. So I got this coin, and then we're trying to get something nice. Unavailable. अच्छा number 1 unavailable 6. क्या लेना है?
किसमें डालना है?
ऊपर वाले में.
Cappuccino.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive. Looking in your eyes, I just wanna love you too.
Just stopped on the way because this spot was too hard to miss. It's beautiful out here. I mean the sun and the ocean and the waves and everything. And this guy sitting inside, not willing to come out. क्यों नहीं आना भाजन?
Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna
Finishing our trip at the night market again. Some of the places are open for lunch, so I'm just grabbing some food here at 4th Street, Cairns, which is a Vietnamese place right at the start of the market, and they're grabbing it from chicken on a stick.
Yeah, well.
This is really good. This is the chicken karaage donburi from chicken on a stick, and it's yum. This is our second time having this, and love the taste.
'Cause a love like
Getting dropped off at the airport in the shuttle bus.